When it comes to our bodies, we often leave it up to the doctors to give us the all clear. But there are certain things we can do to check in our own health, and our cervix is one of them. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to check your own cervix. 1. First, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. 2. Next, insert your index or middle finger into your vagina. If you have long nails, be sure to trim them beforehand or wear gloves. 3. Once your finger is inside, feel around for your cervix. It will feel like a small round bump at the end of your vagina. 4. If you're not sure whether or not you found your cervix, try inserting a tampon. If you feel resistance when inserting the tampon, then you found your cervix. 5. Once you've found your cervix, check to see if it's hard or soft. A soft cervix is an indication that you are ovulating, while a hard cervix is a sign that you are not. 6. Finally, check the position of your cervix. If your cervix is high, it's an indication that you are not ovulating. If it's low, it's a sign that you are ovulating. If you have any concerns about your cervix, consult with your doctor. Otherwise, checking your cervix is a great way to get in tune with your body and track your ovulation. When it comes to women's health, checking your cervix is an important step in ensuring that you are healthy and catching any problems early. Here's a guide on how to check your cervix. Checking your cervix is a way to monitor your menstrual cycle and detect any early signs of pregnancy or illness. It is also a way to get to know your body and feel more comfortable with your own physiology. To check your cervix, you will need to insert your finger into your vagina. You can do this while you're in the shower or while you're urinating. If you are unsure about how to find your cervix, ask your healthcare provider for a demonstration. Once you have located your cervix, you will want to feel for any irregularity. The cervix feels like a small round opening. It should be firm and slightly open. If you feel any irregularities such as a change in texture or size, you should contact your healthcare provider. Checking your cervix is a simple and easy way to maintain your health and catch any problems early. It is also a way to get to know your body better. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and family, and write your valuable comment about this video. Also, you can check out our other videos.